Alright everybody, how's it going today? We are going to be getting a start on building a little shelf. Well, another one anyways. But yeah, I got the sides for it. Got those on for some little statues and all that. In the room, we are partially remodeling today. So I'm going to go ahead and get it all sanded up. Get some stain on it. Not quite sure the color I'm going to do yet. But we're going to go ahead and get that all taken care of. Sanded, stained, get it all put back together and get working back on the room and get that all finished sanded and ready for paint. And then I can get all that taken care of and get these shelves up. So stay tuned for what's to come next. Alright, got everything sanded down now. And go ahead and give everything a nice coat of stain. We're going to go with this dark walnut here. Give that a shot. Match up with the barn boards that we're doing here. Alright guys, got all the staining done. Got it tacked back together. So here we go. Get in a little more light so you can see. Nice dark walnut. Little edge sit up on the wall. Eventually I'll put some designs, I think, into here. Just wood burn them in. But there we go. Stay tuned for some more.
It's a whole new world.
Yucky. Yucky.
Yeah. Looking out your new room.
Very yucky.
Well, not new. Refreshed.
Right. Nice wall.
What do you think, Ollie? You ready for painting? Alright guys, next step on the agenda today is pull out some of these log slabs and start making some tables, chairs, or whatever I can get out of them. I'm trying to trust the snow that we have left. Seems like I can't get them unburied. There's half of one. Be probably didn't get a bench out of that. A little short love bench, we'll say. Yeah, after work I got a whole bunch of them lined up down through here. One big one leaning up against the tree. A couple right there. And finally start to see the yard and all that. So that'll be the next plan. Get those dug out and try to see what we can accomplish with getting some more tables made. There's Jimmy playing on the snow. Get it! Get it! What is it? Huh? What is it? She'll dig and dig and dig. Never endless. Hopefully not to China. We don't want her getting that corona. Alright guys, stay tuned for some more and keep on following along. Got plenty more to come as all this snow melts away. Get all that taken care of. Get at the fire pit here and clean this up and start getting some more fires and that going. Stay tuned. Alright, this is what I got. A nice big old slab here. Be good for a nice center table or something like that, along with this one here. There's all these littler slabs. Ones that broke in half. But I still use those for little benches and whatnot. Like these bigger ones I could use maybe for little end tables. That kind of stuff. All still very usable, so we'll go from there. Right, Jimmy's still digging away. Same spot. Alright guys, there we go. Brought out the old husqvarna and got our pieces all trimmed up and flattened out as well as we could with the saw. And just go from here and get it all smoothed out, let it all dry out a little bit more. And get it all smoothed out and then go from there. But there's that slab there. Make it a nice like little coffee table or something. Here's the piece we're going to use there for the centerpiece to hold it all up. And we'll go from there. Bring you guys back once I'm a little farther and get everything dried out and ready to go. Thanks for watching.